Alright, this is Bambi, and right now she's 12 weeks old, and I've had her for a month, and I've already taught her 9 tricks. Sit, shake, shake, good baby. High five, good baby. Sit pretty. Bam Bam, come on, sit pretty. Good baby. Good girl. Can you dance? Dance. Come on. Dance. Dance. Yes. Good baby. Great. Good job. Here. Hey, sit. Oh, spin. Good baby. Here, you can have a treat. Okay. Can you lay down? Good baby. Can you play dead? Play dead. Good baby. Okay. Here. Sit. Lay down. Roll over. Good baby. Good baby. Good job. High five. Good. Alright, thank you.